Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam. In today's video, I'm going to guide teachers how to create online quiz. So if you want to give online quiz to your students, so first of all you need to open MS Word documents, black document as you can see here. Then you must give name to your quiz, okay, like online quiz 1 BS English 3rd Fall 2020. Start time 9 p.m. at night, usually the time I give to my students, and end time 9:40 p.m. So total MCQs 45, total marks 45. So you should not number the quiz, like this is question number 1, but it has not been numbered as you can see here. I have removed the serial number. I'll later on share with you why I have done so. Actually, all these are the steps to stop students from plagiarism. Later on, I'm going to explain. So your answer should be written vertically like this, A, B, C, D, but there should not be mention of A, B, C, D, etc. Like transcribe phonetically the word would. So there are 4 options I have just given, and key should be highlighted. That is, it is red. It is for you. Later on, I'm going to guide you why I'm highlighting the answer key. Here is another question. Minimal meaningful unit of grammar is called. There are 4 options and this one is the correct option. So correct option should be highlighted. So after arranging your quiz like this, let me scroll down. These are 45 questions which I have arranged vertically. After this, as you can see, all the MCQs, right? This is known as STEM and these are 4 options. You can even insert true and false question, but better option is that there should be 4 options. Like here is another question. Pronunciation of English words is based on spelling system, true and false. So this is false. So after doing like this, you have to go to Google Drive. Okay, now let me click on status bar here. Here I go to Google general purpose search engine. Okay, so I'm moving to Google. So you should be logged in, as you can see here, my picture as well as rustamawalian@gmail.com. So you should have a Gmail account and you should be logged in. After this, you have to click here, Drive. Now you are going into your Google Drive and it is uploading, as you can see here. Time is 15 minutes with me, that's why I'm speaking quickly. So this video tutorial is how to design online quiz. Click here, My Drive, then go to this More button, okay, and when you click on it, after a while you will have more options. Just a minute. Yes, so go to Google Forms and here you have to give the title, okay. So let me quickly copy the title from my MS Word page from here. Okay, right click, copy, and go to Google Drive here, place it here. Okay, now it is placed. Now as far as instructions are concerned, you can even copy these instructions from here and go to Google Drive and place it here. Now you can go to setting button. Okay, first, now here are few settings. Collect email addresses, because I usually ask my students to create Gmail accounts. Okay, limit required sign in, limit to 1 response, yes. Okay, and then required sign in, limit to 1 response. Okay, now respondents can edit after submit, no. See summary, no. Now coming to presentation, now show progress bar to students, okay. Then shuffle question order. Here is number 1 check. So each student will receive the same 45 questions, but some order of the question will be shuffled. That is, student number 1 will have different question and student number 2 will have different question, so that if they want to send screenshots to each other, they cannot help each other. So this is one option. Okay, now quizzes. So here is mark this as a quiz. Okay, now release grade. So manual, after manual review, okay, you can release grades later on. Then a few more options are missed questions. Yes, students can see missed question, correct answer, point values. After this, click on save button. So your settings have been done, and now you can go to question number 1. Before you type question number 1, type here name of the student. Okay, name, and automatically it gives short answer. It means student is going to write his or her name here. Required question. Okay, now next, roll number of the students, roll number. Okay, now again required option, short answer and required. Then next option, add question, email address, email of the students, required option. Okay, short answer, students are going to write. Now here we go with first question, question number 1. Now go quickly to your MS Word sheet and copy this one, the whole one. Okay, copy, and then change its color from here so that you should remember that this question has been taken up. Now I'm going to this, just a minute, this question number 1, place it here. Now you can transcribe phonetically the word would. Let me put inverted commas here. Now these are your options. Now right click and cut. Okay, now place option number 1 here. Now I'm gonna remove all this and I'm going to put into the second option. Okay, now I'm going to remove all this and cut, and I'm going to put it into the next option, and last, this is my option, and this one cut and here. Okay, now question number 1 has been set. So now see which one is your key. So third one is your key. Okay, now go to again here, answer key, value 1, its value or weight or point. Then click on this one, this is your answer, and click on done. Student will not see this answer, it is for you. Okay, now lock the question here, and another checkup, shuffle option order. Option order mean that even if student share screenshot with each other, student number 1 will have this option first and student number 2 will have some other option first. So all these are security checks so that student cannot discuss. So you have put 3 bars. Number 1, time is given. Okay, on exact time, at exact time quiz will be over and student will not be able to take extra time. Second is question order will be different. Student number 1 will have this question and student number 2 or 3 will have another question. Then orders, all these orders options are shuffled. Okay, now click on here, next question. Now here is next question, and go to MS Word and pick this option. Okay, now right click, copy, change the color so that you can you may remember that it has been taken up. Now go to Google Drive, this Google Forms, place it here. Now you can cut all this. Okay, cut. So option number 1, actually I am copying all the answers, and here is another option. You can type, even if you have a good speed, you can type all these options, but I'm just cutting and pasting quickly. So video time is just going to be very short. Let me click here. So all the options have been given. Now go to your MS Word and see what is your key, what is your answer morpheme. So let me mark, scroll down, and here is answer key. So 1 point, that is answer is 1 and answer key is morpheme. Minimal meaningful unit of grammar is called morpheme. Click here and done. After this, log this question. Log means that unless student has answered this question, he or she can't move forward. Shuffle the order of options, shuffle option order. So Let's see, your quiz is you have this way you have to add 40 question or 45 question. After this, now you can up till now total 2 points because I have entered only 2 questions. Now see preview how students will appear to students. Student will have this interface, okay? Email address, question. See, questions are not marked. Question number 1, 2, they are not marked because it's a safety check. So that student cannot call each other even at night that which answer of question number 40, please this. So there is no serial number is mentioned. Okay. Now student after doing all this will submit to you. Okay. Now how can we share it with our students? So let me go back to quiz. Here is quiz. Now this is the option send. Now you can email this quiz to your students from this place, okay? Or you can click on this link, click on shorten URL, and now this shorten URL you can copy. Now after copying it, you can email it this short URL to yourself, or you can place it even in this document and like this, and email this document to you, and later on you can use your mobile phone and download this document and copy it and put it into WhatsApp, and student will click and they will do. Second option is that you can go to even Google Classroom. If you are running a Google Classroom, I have a Google Classroom like this, so I can quickly go to Google Classroom. I've got 3 minutes left. Let's say I have this let's say class first year English, actually it is third year English, but quickly go to your classwork, okay, create quiz assignment, and then give it a title. Let's say right now I'm short of time, give few instructions here, okay, then here's a blank quiz. Just a minute, sorry, just let me go back. Okay, create, okay, create just a minute, or add link, sorry, add link. So you can add your link here, link this one, Google Drive. Let me go back. Okay, so you can add link here, link, this one, place the link here, add link. After doing this, you can reschedule it. Let's say schedule, you can schedule it. Let's say it is you can schedule it on 11th December, okay. Time can be release time, okay, 9 p.m. at night, okay, and schedule. Now you can give let me edit it, okay, let me first edit because I could not give points. Okay, first year all students points are, let's say there are 40 points total, okay. Due date, that is just now we mentioned 11 December. Time time is, let's say 9:40 p.m. 9:40 p.m. So one is start time and one is end time schedule. Now you can see it has been created, okay. Let me go to classroom. So this is your quiz. It is scheduled for December 11. So automatically on December 11 at 9 p.m. it will be released to all the students, and it will end at let's say 9:40. And if you want to see the results, so let me show you results in Google Drive. Just 1 minute left. So here is a quiz which I gave to my English third students. So let me pause. If you want to see the scores, click on responses, okay, responses, and here we go. So these are the scores, okay. 22 students have submitted it, so you can see the scores. Now video time is up. So I have just tried to give an idea to you how you can these are the responses.